Aw, animals.
Nonprofit uses old bra clasps to save turtles. A wildlife rehabilitation center in Iowa has come up with the idea of using old bras to treat injured turtles. Trace Bell, founder and director of an animal rehab center in Independence, Iowa, told local KWWL News that she came up with the idea to use old bra closures with epoxy small zip ties to save turtles with injuries to their shells. In a Facebook post, her nonprofit, Wildlife and Animal Rehabilitation and Sanctuary, called on women to donate old bra clasps that can be used to repair turtle shells. The bra clasps are glued to opposite sides of the turtle shells, while the zip ties are used to fasten the crack in the shell, according to a Facebook post by the organization. This allows the turtle's cracked shell to heal. WBTV reports another nonprofit organization, Carolina Waterfowl Rescue, is using a similar method but with a wire instead of zip ties to fix cracked turtle shells. The bra clasps are removed once the turtle shells have healed, and the turtles are then released into the wild. Wildlife and Animal Rehabilitation and Sanctuary's Facebook post has since gone viral, with thousands sharing the post and the nonprofit says donating to the cause.